कॉल करने के लिए बोला था सर.
Come again.
You asked me to call you, sir, on LinkedIn.
Okay, okay,
You shared your number, sir.
okay,
I could
okay.
not call you yesterday since I was occupied in a meeting,
No
on a
issue.
local meeting. So
Uh,
I'm calling you today. Is it a good time to speak to you, sir?
Absolutely no issue.
Yes,
But
sir.
I would like to first tell you that whatever the conversation, it is always recorded.
Yes, sir.
And it is uploaded on Crime Free Bharat Mission.
Right, sir.
And the reason of doing so, treating it as a energy.
Right, sir.
So even it is not the communication between two person. It
Right,
is
sir.
the communication with the globe.
Right, sir.
So you are talking to Maithili Sharan Guth, but you are talking to the globe. I am
Right,
talking
sir.
to Dr. Abhishek, but at the
Yes.
same time, I am talking to the globe.
Right, sir.
Right? So, I mean,
Right, sir.
this is just to keep you informed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you please introduce yourself little in greater detail?
Sir, I'm Dr. Abhishek Kumar. I'm a dental surgeon by profession and a forensic odontologist by qualification, sir.
Okay.
I don't know if you can recall, sir, but I had earlier spoken to you a couple of years back when I was in National Forensic Sciences University pertaining to crime mapping. We
Okay.
had a detailed conversation over phone call.
Okay.
And then you had added me into your Crime Free Bharat group and all, which
Uh-huh.
were, yeah, like there were so-called the groups were splinter groups and CFB groups. I clearly remember, but due to some shortcomings of mine, I had to, exit of all the groups, not only pertaining to CFB ordinancer, uh, but from all the groups that I was associated with. So lately, sir, I have been, I got a chance to speak to you and also would like to know, sir, under what capacity and under what this thing built up, I would like to, I can contribute to your project or to your dream or vision that you have, sir.
Okay. Great question. Great question.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I would like to tell you, let's put it into the two bracket. Number
Right,
one,
sir.
technical or professional contribution, right?
Right, sir.
And second, as a citizen, where just we are taking a pledge that I want a good India.
Right, sir.
Basically, that good India pledge is more important than anything else.
Right, sir.
It is even more important than the technical and professional contribution
Absolutely, sir. Every day.
because that can in any ways could be accrued
Right, sir.
by basically when you are in position to create a right kind of the setup for the good India.
Right, sir.
Dr. Afseb, I would like to really know from you, are you aware of the great problem or the problem which we are undergoing as a country?
Yes, sir. I see a problem. Not only I can see a few problems that are really need to be addressed. Not only on a not only on this thing basis or not only on a ground level basis, but also on a level of basis which has to reach the political leadership or the brain banks that are running the country. Well,
Basically, you have really hit the nail
right, sir.
because this dimension is the most important dimension
Right, sir.
because our so-called the great leader,
Right, sir.
they were not really so great.
Exactly, sir.
They were absolutely deceitful people who cheated this country.
Right, sir.
They so much so they shook the hand with the Britishers
Right, sir.
who were at that moment of the time under the great fear of their own life.
Right, sir.
And this I am not saying, it is being said by the Commander in Chief, Indian Armed Forces, Lord Cloud Auchinleck,
Right.
right?
Right.
He, first of all, he wrote to Viceroy Bobel
Right.
that this country is in a great turmoil,
Right.
and everybody is basically is moved, and they are not even in mood to comply with or obey the orders.
Right.
There is a revolt like situation, and the revolt is more on account of the trial of the Azad Hind Fauj.
Right.
So he recommended the trial of Azad Hind Fauj should be dropped forthwith.
Right.
It was accepted.
Right.
Secondly, he said that we are under great threat of life, so all the commander and their family should assemble, and we should have a exit plan so that we can move out of this country safely.
Okay, sir.
Under this, basically the plan to transfer the power, under that threat it was conceived.
Okay.
So it was not a normal situation. These facts are never shared, never told with the Indians.
Right, sir.
It is not being taught to us. Those letters which were written by Lord Cloud Auchinleck or Bob
Auchinleck.
Bowell, and even other telegrams and things like that, which was great reflection of the grave situation at that moment of time,
Right.
right? So this Cloud Auchinleck even created one document, and he named it Exit Plan.
Okay.
So who all need to be saved under the grave situation, and that plan was named as Exit Plan, and it was submitted to Lord Bowell, and it was accepted too. And
Right, sir.
under this letter, basically, they
Right.
realized that they can no more run this country, and they have
Right,
to
sir.
run away.
Right, sir.
So they had planned that it will be happening
Right.
in June 1948.
Okay, sir.
But situation was so grave, they have to run away on 15th of August 1947.
47.
And before that, they have to appeal to Sardar Patel that please console your Navy people, because there's a lot of revolt like situation,
Yes,
and
sir.
if you console them, then only it will happen. And that's how in 1946
Sir.
a
Right,
interim
sir.
government which was headed by Jawaharlal Nehru was formed,
Okay, sir.
and we created one constitution, and
Hmm.
we are being befooled in the name of constitution.
Right, sir.
Do you know our constitution could be divided into two parts?
Okay, sir.
One part is uh, which we have directly copy and pasted from one Government of India Act 1935.
Okay, sir.
And other part, it is the contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
Yeah, he studied all the constitution of the world and took out the good pieces from wherever he could grab.
Right.
So the fundamental right and the state policy of the
State policy,
directive
directive
principle of state
principle.
policy,
Yes.
etc. They were the part of that 20%,
Right, sir.
right? Our these politicians, they shook hand with the such Britishers
Right, sir.
who were in a realization that they cannot run country, and
Okay, sir.
they allowed the country to be divided in 565 states and two
Princely
dominions.
states.
Yeah, the two dominion.
Yes, sir.
They obeyed each and everything of the Britishers.
Right, sir.
Whereas they were in the grave situation, we could have took advantage, and we could
Yes,
have
sir.
very well negotiated.
Right, sir. Which could have actually benefited us for the longer period of time.
Because the people were not of that character.
Exactly.
They wanted the power for themselves.
Themselves, sir.
So
Exactly.
they were not a good people, though how they could very successfully hide the historical content and things like that. But the reality is this: that they were bad people.
Right, sir.
I will prove that they were bad people. They were not good people, they were bad people. Now, in 1946, when uh, Muslim League and this Jinnah, he went for to show his strength
Right, sir.
and connived with the governor of West Bengal to
Right, sir.
massacre Hindus. It was a
Right.
well thought of action plan in which they have employed hooligans, gundas to kill Hindus.
Plus, sir, even when the Muslim League conducted a small survey, or let's say election or something, as to whether you want a different Muslim state or not. As far as I remember, as far as I have heard or read, or in any of the documents, I remember, sir, 99.5% of that era's Muslim population voted in the favor of Muslim League.
That is very true, but
Yes,
these
sir.
bugger never moved out of this country.
Exactly, sir. These
So
people
basically,
stayed,
the person
and they
who
have
has
not done.
voted, no,
And
I mean, the person, those who have voted for it,
yes, sir.
they should have moved out.
Exactly. And by staying in our country, they have not done us a favor, sir.
They have not done the favor. They again cheated us. Do you know how they cheated us? They divided the whole thing कि एक भाई जो है वो पाकिस्तान चला जाएगा, एक भाई यहाँ रह जाएगा.
हाँ,
तो
हिंदुस्तान में
पूरी
रह जाएगा.
संपत्ति यहाँ रह गई और वहां की संपत्ति लेने के लिए वो वहां चल दिए. राइट.
Exactly. Right, sir.
यहाँ पे जो है, जो यहाँ से चले भी गए और एक भी यहाँ नहीं रुका, उन्होंने बड़ी आराम से अपनी संपत्ति बेची और
हाँ,
फिर गए. और आपके साथ क्या हुआ? आपको रातों रात मैसेकर किया गया.
बिल्कुल.
और ये आपका मैसेकर होना है, it was already would have been very well anticipated about the incidents I was talking, that in
जी, sir.
direct action day, in connivance with the governor, they massacred Hindus, in which thousands of the Hindus, they were massacred. Women were
Rape.
tortured, they were raped, and it was used as a movement for the religious conversion.
Exactly.
Right?
जी,
And
sir.
when one Kasai, Gopal
Gopal Bhattacharya.
Pada, yeah, he took the other people together and he did the counter massacre.
Right, sir.
That's how they surrendered.
Right, sir.
I mean, they literally surrendered because they felt that the game has already tilted. So when just to show demonstration, they could kill so many people. When
Right,
we are dividing this country on the basis of religion,
right,
there
sir.
will be massacre. It could have been anticipated by even a child.
Right, sir.
Is that true or not?
Absolutely, sir.
Then
Absolutely.
why this bigger bastard, so-called the great politician, they did not bother about the safety? Why they do not talk of the security protocol? How the people safely would be transported from Pakistan to Hindustan and Hindustan to Pakistan? Why this matter at all did not come to their priority? Why they did not talk about it? When on the night of the 14th, when the Hindus were massacred, this beggar, they were watching a film with the Admina named Bullet. It is
Yes.
on record. What kind of the people they are? Now, Dr. Abhishek, I would like to ask you a simple question.
Yes, sir.
What do you feel about the power given to the Prime Minister in our Constitution?
Sir, I feel that as far as I see it, sir, the power given to the president in our constitution is really unfair.
No. I mean,
I'm coming with.
just a minute. Let's not divulge the things fair, unfair. I'm just talking of what is exactly the power of the Prime Minister, and if I am allowed to given the opportunity to explain on it, I will put that our Constitution has given only one power to the Prime Minister, only one and one power. That is to recommend the name of who should be the part of the Council of.
Right, sir.
Rest of the power vested in the Council of Minister, not in the Prime Minister.
Right, sir.
He is just leader and communicator.
Right.
He is communicating on behalf of the Council of Minister.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, when we were fighting a war in Jammu and Kashmir,
Right, sir.
and we were winning, and
Right, sir.
our country was, very confident of capturing whole POK.
Right, sir.
Then this bugger, instead of discussing with the then Home Minister Sardar Patel
Yeah.
or talking to his Council of Ministers, under what authority he went to the All India
United
Radio
Nations.
and announced the ceasefire and announced that he will go to the United
UN.
Nations.
Yeah, UN.
Why this very thing was not questioned? Because we people, we are the selfish people. We want to make good of opportunity for ourselves. Nobody raised this question. Why? Have you ever heard that what is the power of the Prime Minister and why we allowed these people to corner all the power? Do you agree with me that the elaboration I have given, that Prime Minister is having no power, he is having all the powers are vested in the Council of Ministers? It means they will discuss it and all the power, all the decision will be taken collectively. Is that right or not?
Yeah, absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Then how the Modi become the Modi? है तो मुमकिन है. Council of Minister है तो मुमकिन है.
Right.
नहीं. I mean, why that kind of the distortion be allowed and nobody questioned it? Are you getting my point?
I get your point, sir.
So
now,
unless we question these kind of the things, now let's talk about what politician did with us. What this Jawaharlal Nehru did to us. Do you know? He very deceitfully created one article 35A without taking it to the parliament. He was so underconfident, he was lacking in confidence, that in 1954, without taking article 35A to the parliament, he deceitfully pressurized Dr. Rajendra Prasad to notify it.
Right.
Now, Dr. Abhishek,
yes, sir,
I want to ask from you whether your constitution has given this power to the President of India to create article just by the notification?
No, sir.
So, whether Jawaharlal Nehru was not aware that his conduct is anti-constitutional?
He was aware, sir, and I believe he knew what he was doing. But even then, he went ahead because he had the power in his hand. And
no, we bureaucrat allowed it to happen for our own benefit. We wanted the plum posting. It is we, as a citizen, we always failed.
Okay, sir.
No. Why they have said, no, minister, you can't do it. No, prime minister, you just can't do it. No, you don't have the power under the constitution. Now, in 2014, one PIL was filed in the Supreme Court with the same intention, with the same content.
Okay.
Content was this, that our constitution has not given the power to the President of India to create article without it is being approved as per the provision of the constitution.
Right, sir.
Right?
Right.
And since Article 35A never submitted to the parliament, hence its inclusion deceitfully is a unconstitutional activity, and this provision should be declared. Okay, this provision should be declared unconstitutional. This PIL was filed in the Supreme Court in 2014.
Right, sir.
Our beloved Narendra Modi, he did not reply for 5 years. Now, if he had submitted the factual position, what do you feel? Supreme Court would have declared it null and void or not?
Absolutely, sir.
Even a child would have declared it. We do not need any luminary or having the knowledge. As simple as the president is not having the power, it has not gone to the parliament, hence the whatever the activity has been done, it is unconstitutional.
Right.
Now, in 2019 January, when it was brought into the parliament, nobody asked in the parliament कि भाई साहब आपने पहले हमारे सामने तो कभी लाया नहीं है इसको. पहले तो ये बताओ हमारे सामने लाए कब थे आप? ये
जी
संविधान में कैसे चला गया?
जी
ये कहा किसी ने? नहीं, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, ये किसी ने कहा क्या?
नहीं सर,
क्यों नहीं कहा?
अप, अपने बेनिफिट के लिए सर, अपने पावर के लिए।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
अपने
तो
हाथ में
आर
पावर
वी
रहे।
आर वी आर वी गुड पीपल और आर वी बैड पीपल?
सर आई थिंक वी आर फूलिश पीपल।
नहीं, वी आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट पीपल. We are not nationalist. We look for what could benefit us. We look for the personal favors, personal benefit, nothing beyond. We are not nationalists. We are not good people. We are bad people.
जी सर।
We are bad people as an Indian. And now let's come to the third dimension. That is whether this politician has given good politician to the country. What is
Okay.
your opinion about it?
I think there have been few good politicians, sir. But apart from that, I
Oh,
don't see an
no,
example.
no, no. I will say you are very right. They were a very good politician.
No,
They
there were
landed there.
few
No,
good
just a
people.
minute, just a minute. They landed there by accident, and they did not have the capacity to contribute as per their wisdom,
Okay.
right? Because these bugger, even in 1952, they resorted to booth capturing.
Okay.
I mean, that is height of it, no?
Right, sir.
When they were popular, they were up national feeling. Still, these buggers, they resorted to the booth capturing.
Hmm.
That was their democratic values.
Right,
And
sir.
to whom they have given the tickets? To Raja, Maharaja, Jamidars, exploiter of that time.
Right.
Who gave them the power to write in Constitution, "Be people of India"? Where were the "Be people"? I don't see any "Be people" in the Constituent Assembly. Do you see any "Be people"?
Absolutely not, sir.
So that precisely I am saying that
Sir,
just a minute, just a minute. I have to do some emergency. 1 minute. Just a minute. So, Abhishek, these people, they basically, for their own benefit,
yes, sir.
they selected the people on the basis of the caste, creed, race, religion, and
Hmm.
narrow political consideration. Is that right?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I think I will make a call after some time because there's something which I have to attend, but we will just conclude in a few minutes, right?
Sir.
What I intend to say, these buggers,
Yes, sir.
they not only selected the people on the wrong consideration, but after the short listing,
Sir.
they felt or they had some concept of winnability. Who will win the election,
Okay.
right?
Right,
And
sir.
who these people treated as winnable? The bad people,
The incompetent people.
moneyed people,
Yes,
rascals,
sir.
criminals,
Right, sir.
and whether they have won the election through the democratic process or they purchase the vote of people.
Okay, sir.
No, they purchase the vote by
Right, sir.
giving the freebie, distributing liquor,
Exactly.
distributing money, distributing
Distributing
sari and other
money, yeah.
appliances, distributing
Distributing
even.
cycles, laptops, scooty,
Very,
two-wheelers.
very true, very true.
Yeah.
So they purchased the vote of the poor people and they won the election, and they never said that they are representing public. They said कि वो तो अपनी पार्टी के अदने से सिपाही हैं.
जी.
You will listen or hear this slogan
Right,
from
sir.
n number of the politician. Am I right or not?
Right. Absolutely, sir.
And so the good politician you were referring to, they were incapable of contributing anything.
Right, sir.
Because if they will speak honestly in favor of the public, they will be marginalized and they will be kicked out.
Right, sir.
That's why even the good people could not contribute it to their capacity. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, we will conclude at this point of the time
Sir.
that now you are having your question where that how you can contribute. So one could be the professional. I will hear from you how you would like to contribute, number one, right?
Sir.
And the second part, Dr. Abhishek, the
Sir.
second part is do nothing, just Johanna take a pledge of the Good India. I will share the 11, 12 documents which
Sir.
says that this country will be transformed. You just need to take a pledge for the Good India and you create a group of your own people,
Sir.
your family members, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, and whomsoever you have come in contact from right from birth to the point of this point of time.
Sir.
Add them in a group, share these documents, have a
Sir.
deliberation that whether this so-called Good India is good enough with the 5 fundamental rights and 21 transformational objectives, or
Sir.
they feel something need to be added into it.
Okay, sir.
If they feel no, it is suffice, then they should take a pledge, and that pledge has to be repeated every Sunday,
Okay, sir.
right? And then I am giving basically 5 links. So first link is about to join Crime Free Bharat Mission app. Though
Sir.
we are creating a new app which will be helping out to the greater details. Now, after downloading this app, you are supposed to go into the community and read whatever I have briefed you. Everything is written over there, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then this app is providing you the opportunity to add people with the least of effort, right?
Okay, sir.
So in this app, there's your profile. If you click to the profile, you will see your identity cards and you can see your own activity, how many people have you added, and then it allow you to share with your family, friends, and everybody. And it is providing 3 options. First option is share through the WhatsApp.
Right.
Second option is copy link and paste it anywhere. And
Right.
third is share on the social media.
Right, sir.
So with the click of button, it is auto creating your message. It is auto creating your link. And whosoever will be joining from your link, you will get your name in the reference, right? And you will get the marks for that.
Okay, sir.
2 more marks are being added in the new app. That is on Sunday. Every Sunday on the rotational basis, the same individual cannot invite. It has to be by the roster because it will be having 3 marks, right? So we cannot allow the same individual to have the 3 marks time and again. So it has to be a rotational activity, right? And the whosoever will be joining that pledge activity, Achhe Bharat Ka Sankalp Samaroh, he will also get 1 point.
Okay, sir.
And when you will be adding a member, you will get 1 point. And the person you added and you are supposed to keep him motivated. So you will talk to him that he should also add the people who are connected with them, their own family members, their own relatives, their own friends, their own neighbors, their own people known to them, right?
Sir.
So they should continue to do the job. So that if you are, say, you will motivate the person, and if he adds somebody, you will get 0.15 marks. So if that second layer, if he adds somebody, you will get 0.1 marks. And third layer, if he adds something, you will get 0.5 marks. So then we are keeping it up to 3 level only, because otherwise the inactive people will keep on getting the marks without really their efforts, right? Without their efforts. But we want that some point will come, and on the app is creating 6 merit list. So,
but how does this adding people into this group and only by giving them to follow a pledge will make this country? Don't you think so that there has to be some work done on the ground level as well?
Basically, whatever you are doing at the moment, continue to do that.
Okay, sir.
Right? If n number of the people can join hand, even we can transform and bring Swaraj also. That is doable.
Sir.
But then it is not doable by a single individual.
Okay, sir.
Everybody has to come together to make it happen. I am available to guide, right?
Right, sir.
Otherwise, wait for a while, continue to do whatever you are doing. You are just adding your people and taking them pledge. That is enough, because this app will help you to become 100 crore in just 9 days if we continue to keep our pledge.
Okay,
Just in
sir.
9 days. 9 days is too small period.
Right, sir.
Right? I will explain that also. And this app is creating 6 merit list.
Okay, sir.
One merit list of the villages, second merit list of the Parsad area, that is councillor area, third is of the mayor area, fourth is of the district area, fifth is of the state area, and sixth is of the country level.
Right, sir.
And by adding and getting these marks, I have given that you the 3 ways of getting marks. Number 1, by adding member. Number 2, by adding the layers. It means promoting and motivating them to, the second layer, third layer, up to the third layer, right? And third, the source of the point will be by arranging people to come together and physically meet, hear a video, and discuss that what is good India, whether they really want to add something more in that good India, and then taking a pledge and creating a video and sharing to the Maithili Sarangut, which will be posted on the Crime Free Bharat mission.
Yes, sir.
So that other people will also get motivated. When they will see that lot many videos are coming. So you are supposed to arrange that kind of thing on the rotational basis, and the people should take the pledge, and that video should be taken. That video will be uploaded on the Crime Free Bharat. That will motivate others, whosoever will see that video. Oh, I should also do it, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, based on the 6 merit list, the person who will be number 1 in the village, he will become Panch Sarpanch. Okay, number sir. 2, who is the number 1 in the Parsad area, he will become Parsad.
Yes, sir.
Who is that number 1 in the town, he will become mayor. Yes, who is number 1 in the merit list of the district, he will become Jilla Panchayat Adhyaksh.
Yes, sir.
Who is number 1 in the state, he will become the chief minister, then second and third deputy chief minister. And since the population is different, hence 15 to 45 will become the ministers, and 70 in Delhi and 402 in UP. So 70 to 402, the person will become legislature, MLA, Vidhayak, right?
Yes,
at
sir.
the country level, number 1 will become Prime Minister, 2 and 3 will become Deputy Prime Minister, and up to 82 ministers in the central government, and 543 will become Sansad.
Right, sir.
And irrespective of your mental capability, the models are already ready, and they will not be imposed on anybody. There is a 5 stages of the transformation, which I will be briefing you separately. So even Dr. Abhishek, and he happened to be the bad person, but since he worked tirelessly and he could come number 1 in the merit list, and he could take the oath of the Prime Minister. I challenge Dr. Abhishek, after taking pledge, you will not be in position to negatively influence this country. That kind of the model has been made.
Okay, sir.
So, Abhishek, I will call back to you after some time, because there's some urgent work, and we will continue with the discussion. Meanwhile,
what time will you be free, sir? I'll call you at that moment, since I have some patients to check.
Okay,
if you might as well have to call me, I might as well be busy.
Okay, so what is that comfortable time?
Comfortable time as in, sir, maybe after 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, so we can do it at around 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we conclude and hope now it should not happen like last time. Now you put your full energy.
Yes, sir.
And become an agent for the transformation.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good day. Jai Hind, sir.
Good day. Bye-bye.